Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another edition of Tips from Tiffany. So this week has been a little rough. My son graduated last night. That wasn't the rough part. I'm very proud of my son. He did awesome. The part I've been struggling with is what to do now. Now that he's graduated, he was the last one here at the house, and he's graduated, and everybody keeps telling me, you know, now you can go out and do all those things you've wanted to do but didn't. And they're right, and I've thought about that, and yes, we have been cruising for a while and having fun doing it. But when we first started cruising back in 2016, we had thought about it, researched it, watched all the videos, picked places we wanted to go, and then brushed it under the rug because something else would come up. So my tip this week is mostly for the new cruisers, but also you senior cruisers, not necessarily senior cruisers, but pro cruisers. Go out there, book that cruise, book that excursion that you've always wanted to do and never done. Do your research, but just book that cruise. We finally, in 2015, decided to book the cruise, and we've been cruising ever since and loving every minute of it. We've started the channel, having a great time doing that, meeting new people, doing new adventures, all that fun stuff. So my biggest tip this week would be just book it. Quit researching it, quit worrying about it, just book it. Once you've booked it, you can make all those decisions and have fun and just relax and enjoy that time that you're out there and seeing new things, trying new things. Just take that first step. Go ahead and book it. Like I said, we talked about it for years, watched videos, had the kids all excited. We were all excited, and then it went away and we finally just did it. So if you do have any questions on how to get started booking those cruises for the first time cruisers, definitely put it in our comments. We've got lots of pro cruisers. We'll do all what we can to help you. Don't be afraid to ask those questions. We have asked questions. We've done research. So just let us know how we can help to help you make that first decision to go ahead and schedule that cruise. I hope you have enjoyed this tip for today. If there's any questions we can answer, please leave those in the comments below. And as always, I hope you have a great weekend and a great week. And we will see you out on the high seas.